I'm going to show how to include a row in a playbook. So right here I'm on under my top Ansible directory. I have my playbook called myplaybook.yaml, and we are just going to look at one of the tasks. Right here I have a task named include default row, and I have the module include row to include a row called default dash row. And let's look at my rows here. I only have one task in the row, which is using debug to print out a message, task 1. So if I run my playbook like this, it's going to include the default row right here and carry out the task which print out this message, task 1. So that's all we need to do to include the row.